Taking endless photos of every single video was burning me out. So I decided to create a digital clone of myself, AI persona that generates every thumbnail I need. You've probably seen the videos where animation characters being done by AI, the images are consistent, and you wonder why. Well, three steps: one, two, and three. And I will show you practically how this is being done. This will not be one of those long tutorials where a lot of gibberish has been discussed and you do not know where to start from. You will be surprised that a simple prompt or a singular prompt is able to generate these consistent characters for you. And I will show you today how to get consistent characters across thumbnails, animation videos, AI content creation, which we'll discuss in the day. But join me as I show you how. Okay? You've probably seen those American movies or foreign movies where the police got catches the thief and they have been put in a box to get their thumbprint and they stand facing the police to the right, to the left, back, and front, and you wonder why. You've also seen where they're trying to catch a thief or a criminal person and they run the person's facial features and the software and it begins to generate images of the person by, rotating some sort of artificial intelligent thing and it's going around to scan the person's face from every angle. You know? That basically is a concept of getting consistent characters. I also took myself through that same process. I stood in a white background, got my tripod and my phone, and I took a picture of myself standing front, right, left, up, down, and basically it's just the same way. You'll be surprised that some little features or some little things we tend not to put in mind are what creates consistent characters. Not too much talk. Let me show you how. Okay, so I took a picture of myself. You can see standing here in the white background. I'm holding my more like a sensor to give myself a photo shoot. Standing like this, facing the camera. Okay, thumb by my side, facing thumb by my side, the next side. Okay, so the same photo. And I even have a close-up shot of myself from my side angle, the other side. I bent my head. You can see my shiny head. Up my chin, facing the camera. So these are close-up shots. So this gives you an idea I'm trying to say. You are able to, when you capture yourself from every angle, it gives the system variable images of you to create consistent image because when you have just I suggest also you take a picture of 10 to 20 pictures of you on different sides. It makes the system makes your image or generates a consistent image because one or two shots may not be consistent. As you can see, I took a shot taken from up, down, right, left, so that it's able to pick every facial expression or facial angle of my face. That way, you show that images are consistent. Yes, even if we've seen those AI edits where we use Gemini to create a different AI persona of ourselves, most times images are not consistent. But with this, you are sure that your images are always consistent 100%. Well, 99.9%, not so bust your bubble, but at least you get what I'm trying to say. Now, I'm going to show you the singular prompt or how we go about this. This is as simple as ABC. Once you've gotten a clean, clear shot of yourself from those various angles, what we do next is this. Okay, so I'm gonna open my chat GPT now, my Gemini. So I'm gonna open my Gemini now and gonna feed it these images. I'm gonna pick the best. I don't know how many images Gemini can pick. So let's see. I'll start from the close-up shots. Okay, let's pick this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put this in there. While that is loading, let's pick the one from afar. This way is able to generate my full body images with consistency. Okay, let's see, this too far off, too far off. Okay, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I can only upload 10. Okay, okay, I think that should do. Then now we're going to put in the prompt. Create a professional character reference sheet. Adherence with the upload reference image. Use a clean, plain, neutral background. Present the layout, technical model, turn around. Matching the reference image, realism, blah blah blah. To horizontal, front, left, right. You see what I'm trying to say? Front view, left profile, right profile, back view. Bottom row, three, there's a front portrait. This is basically more like yes a police shoot. Okay, okay, there we go. Require okay alignment, and that's it. Okay, so one more thing is yep, create image. That's it. We have the fast thinking and the pro. Now, even though the pro seems to be the latest model, most times I find it disturbing because most times it distorts the image. But I try to use the thinking and the pro. Well, thinking first, then pro. But let's try with the pro and see how far they've come so far. Because when the pro came out some time ago, the images were not that consistent. The images were not that smooth. But let's see, probably they might have improved by then. Let's we'll try and see how it looks right now. We will try the pro and we will try the thinking. Then we'll compare to see if we actually got what we're looking for from the various um, Gemini model. Okay, the realism is it's uncanny. Okay, this is uncanny. Okay, now this is the pro. Let's try the thinking. Copy this prompt here, go here. Let's switch to thinking and see. I do love this. You can see it maintained almost 100% of my facial features. This is interesting because with this you can generate multiple images of yourself with different outfits, different scenes, different scenarios, different characters of yourself. Okay, if you can see vividly here, now take a look at this. This is the thinking version of it. It gave us the front shots, slightly to the right, to the left, as you can see that. And you can see these three down are different, these three down are different. Now we have something to work with. Now let's try one more model. Let's try the fast and see. Because once you get this reference sheet and you put them in to generate the character of yourself, wearing maybe any sort of outfits, the images becomes consistent. That's the good thing about this. Don't worry, I'm gonna leave the reference sheets prompt in the comment section, and yeah, that'll be it. I do a video about it. Okay, let's see the fast. Bam, you see what I'm trying to say? The fast does distort the images here. The images were basically distorted here. Okay, so we're not gonna be using the fast. Let's download this. I'm going to show you next how to probably style yourself with any outfit and your images will remain consistent. I am wearing a casual outfits for your photo shoots. All the casts are blurred from the picture. Let's see. If you've noticed, I've changed it back to the Pro. I like using the Pro or thinking. One thing you must understand about AI in content creation is you may not get the intended results the first time. You try again. Okay? It's captured me. It captured a personal, yeah, quite well, quite well. Now let's try this same thing with thinking. Gonna copy this, create a new chart, paste it here, bring this here, reference sheet, image, change to thinking, and shoot. You'll see the difference between the thinking and the pro. The pro had to do some series of logic to get to where you wanted to go to. But with the thinking, it's just things. I guess that's the difference between the thinking and the pro. Okay, there we go. There we go. There we go. There we go.